2022 Mazda CX-30. With less than 52,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, rain-sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start. Take home the car of your dreams today.